bottles of color brush and some dye color bag.
18, my 16, and my 20, and I am going to show y'all the process of making a wig. I use color 2 lighten and 30 volume developer. I do, however, use lightener for the knots. I use 20 volume and lightener. Use 50 volume developer with my lightener. Alright, it's already moving, so I don't need to cover it up. I'm going to do the exact same method to the next 2 bundles. Okay, they have processed. I'm about to rinse them out in some hot water and shampoo them. Hey here, homies. So I'm about to show y'all my process of creating a wig. Right now I'm about to take care of my closure. You know, we gotta pluck it. Caps when I'm making my wigs. This is a cap that I use when I'm sewing my units on the sewing machine, and then this is the cap that I use when I'm sewing by hand. Today I'm going to do this particular unit by hand, and that's the process that I will be showing y'all. I use nylon thread. Alright y'all, so I prepare all of my needles. to go through and do my markings as if I were going to create it on a sewing machine, and that's just gonna give me a guide of where to lay the tracks at.
Give me some colors, a color brush, and some